Have you been feeling stiff in your back or sluggish in your movements? Well, this routine is for you. It's designed to stretch, twist, and lengthen your spine, bringing back the flexibility and energy you need to move with ease. Unlocking your spine's full potential with an energizing sequence that will leave you feeling strong, aligned, and ready to take on the day. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a mat, a quiet space, and your determination to show up for yourself. Perfect for your living room, bedroom, or even outdoors if you want to pair this sequence with the morning sunshine. Today's routine combines twists, bends, and dynamic poses to wake up your spine, loosen up your hips, and calm your mind. Most people would skip this, but you're here, and that's what sets you apart. I promise by the end of this routine, you feel tall, energized, and unstoppable. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with a gentle twist to detox and awaken your spine. Sit tall with your legs crossed. Place your right hand behind you for support, and your left elbow on the outside of your right knee. Gently twist to the right, gazing over your shoulder. Hold for 30 seconds. Switch sides, crossing over to the left side and twisting to the left. This twist releases tension in your lower back, improves spinal mobility. It also stimulates digestion and wakes up your core. I promise you'll feel a sense of freedom and alignment in your spine. If crossing your legs feels challenging, keep both legs extended and twist gently to one side without crossing. Unwind your twist and move into Sphinx Pose to lengthen your spine further. Now let's gently open up the front of your body and stretch your spine with Sphinx Pose. Lie on your stomach with your elbows under your shoulders and your forearms flat on the mat. Press into your forearms to lift your chest, keeping your hips grounded. Breathe deeply as you gaze forward or slightly upward. This pose stretches your spine, opens your chest, and strengthens your lower back. By the end of this pose, I promise you feel relief from tension and a renewed sense of energy. If this feels too intense, lower your chest slightly by moving your elbows further forward. Take a deep breath and press up onto your knees to transition into a low lunge twist. Let's deepen the stretch in your hips and add a twist for your spine with a low lunge twist. Step your right foot forward into a lunge position, keeping your left knee grounded. Place your left hand on the mat, and as you inhale, lift your right arm toward the sky, twisting through your torso. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Step your left foot forward, right hand grounded, and twist with your left arm lifted. This move stretches your hips, strengthens your core, and increases spinal mobility. I promise with each twist, you'll feel lighter and more open. If the twist feels intense, keep your lower hand on a block for extra support, or reduce the depth of the twist. Step back into downward dog and prepare for a flowing 3-leg downward dog stretch. Time to energize your entire body and stretch your legs with this dynamic pose. Start in downward dog, pressing your hands firmly into the mat and lifting your hips high. Raise your right leg toward the sky, creating a long line from your fingertips to your toes. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides, lifting your left leg high. This stretch strengthens your arms and shoulders while deeply stretching your hamstrings and opening your hips. I promise by the end of this, you'll feel rejuvenated from head to toe. If lifting your leg feels challenging, keep both feet grounded and focus on lengthening your spine in downward dog. Lower both feet to the mat and settle into child's pose for a final stretch. Let's finish with the grounding and calming stretch in child's pose. Kneel on your mat, bring your big toes together, and open your knees wide. Sit your hips back towards your heels and stretch your arms forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Breathe deeply, letting your body sink into the pose. This pose stretches your spine, gently stretches your lower back, and calms your mind. I promise you feel grounded, relaxed, and ready to conquer the day. If your hips feel tight, place a cushion between your glutes and heels for added support. Slowly rise up, taking a deep breath as we close out this energizing flow. Fantastic work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've awakened your spine, energized your hips, and set yourself up for a strong and balanced day. Most people wouldn't take the time, but you did. And that's a testament to your commitment to feeling your best. Just by showing up, you've already won the day. Next time you see that notification bell, just press play. And invite your friends to join the fam, because movement is always better together. Fam, I've got a couple gifts for you in the description. Go check them out. They'll help you level up your fitness journey. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.